Assalamualaikum and greeting for everyone. My name is SHAHIMI BINTI SHAFEII and I am a representative from our group to present about our innovation, which is a new management system toward halal warehouse import. Logistics service provider was essential in moving equipment and goods. Nowadays, the term is more commonly used in the context of commercial good movement within the supply chain. When there is a high demand for logistics services, it directly leads to complexity and mixing in terms of halal and non-halal. In terms of that, it is essential to understand the importance of establishing halal warehouses management system in port cargo handling process to keep the halal integrity of the product. Halal warehouse is very important because halal warehouse is a method of avoiding contamination of fresh produce, natural resources and packaged food during transportation or transmission. It is also to prevent information of the product from being neglected and to ensure that Muslim consumer receive and consume only halal products. Halal warehouse are part of halal supply chain services provided by halal logistic provider to meet the demand of the halal industry. Halal warehouse is a method of avoiding contamination of perishable goods, raw material and food products during transportation or distribution. It is also to prevent product information from being overlooked and to ensure that Muslim consumer receive and consume only halal product. According to Sharia law, halal logistic required for transportation, warehousing and retailing are included in the Malaysian standard for halal logistic. According to Zahara Yaakob, mixing of halal and non-halal product occur when there is a lack of checking procedure to the operational activity during halal food handling and distribution of halal food product from one location to another. Segregation procedure that are taken lightly or neglected lead to a mixture of halal and non-halal products. Moreover, according to SYAFEEQAH, identify when management finds it difficult to accept new changes that need to be done due to mixing issues that arise in the warehouse. 4 potential problem solved. The first one is strengthen the application of the halal assurance system, and the second one is the government may also consider strengthening the application of halal law referring to the Islamic Chamber of Commerce and Industry International Halal Integrity Alliance. Next, commercial potentiality in halal warehouse are to maintain the halal integrity of halal product in order to ease the doubt of Muslim consumers at the point of consumption. The halal warehouse system is very important. The growth of Muslim population in the world plus the increasing in their purchasing power convince the manufacturer to look after their halal requirement. This scenario makes them more wary about their religious obligation about the type of product allowed to be used. For readiness, support from other level of management is important to deliver the idea, instruction and correct direction to perform halal warehouse operation and activity. This will help the whole organization to be ready and able to perform halal warehouse system in the company and provide proper preparation for the whole system to face any failure or problem and risk. If top management has a vision to change the company operation to meet halal logistic requirement, all employees must learn, understand and be able to handle all logistic operation in accordance with JAKIM and SIRIM halal warehouse operation system. The next one is green, clean, sustainability and contribution to the society. The first one is keep food product, perishable commodity and raw material from being contaminated during transit or distribution in halal warehouse. It is important to guarantee that only halal products are delivered to Muslim customer and consumed by them. According to Sharia law, halal logistic requirements for transportation, warehousing and retailing are included in the Malaysian standard for halal logistic. The second one is that a high degree of health and cleanliness must be maintained in the halal food logistic requirement in order to ensure the shelf life of the product and hygiene standard. The third one is logistic providers are aware of their responsibility in this halal warehouse system, which include preventing direct physical contact between halal and non-halal product. The fourth one is halal logistic crucial to avoid the occurrence of contamination and mixing in terms of halal and illegal goods, as contamination risk will influence safety and quality of halal product. Contamination occurs because of the mixing of dangerous and non-dangerous products. Next is ensure the halal products are more secure and to prevent any negligence from happening easily. Halal warehouse can plan strategically to develop the successfulness driver in implementing halal warehouse among the halal logistics services provider for import and export. The next one is provide a better understanding of the necessity of halal warehouses to the public. Understand issue and increase public awareness, and as a result, it will further increase the demand for halal product. Next is increase awareness in the management. Halal logistics is not only focused for some businesses that are food or product related, but also in the cosmetic industry, pharmaceutical, medical services item, material and leather. Ensuring compliance to halal requirement result in higher quality product than sticking to the conventional standard by itself. Next is strengthen the application of halal assurance system when logistic companies are involved in halal sector. Set out rules to ensure the integrity of halal product throughout their supply chain, besides ensuring compliance with the halal Thoriban standard for all parts of the halal supply chains. Next is hygiene and cleanliness awareness. Personal hygiene and strict sanitation protocol are key to ensuring a safe food storage environment. Proper sanitation is important for maintaining a warehouse or facility safety and health, besides to prevent the product from being contaminated and attacked by pests. And lastly is prioritize transportation checking. Checking halal performance control in transportation activity and movement by any type of transportation mode are among the elements of controlling halal in logistic activity. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much.